Welcome, here I've got VIVO X60 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. We have to change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we get access to more modes of this camera. One of them is the slow motion, so let's pick it. Here we are. Now we can start recording this type of video by tapping on this big red button at the center, the shutter. So let me start to show you how it works. And now let's stop by tapping again on this button to see the video. Let's move to the left one that follows us straight to the gallery. And here we can play our video by tapping on the center. And as you can see, this is how the slow motion video looks like at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.